What's going on, everybody? A quick video training on how to send an email broadcast if you're a gold member here in the Powerly system. First of all, you need an email. If you don't have an email and you just want to send like a swipe, they have some emails in here if you come to promote your business. Generation online. Go to email swipe copy, click on that, and here's some emails that you can send. I'll just copy this one here. Okay, but real quick, first thing is first, you can copy any of these, whatever you want to send is up to you. I'm gonna actually open getting started. I'm gonna open another tab, that way the back office is there. All I did is right click, open a new window. I'm gonna come over here to email, voice and text. Email, I'm gonna say add a campaign. If you're adding a new campaign, just give it a name. If you're gonna be promoting Lead Lightning, just give it Lead Lightning. Just Lead Lightning emails if you want. My Lead Lightning follow-up. Just something that you can remember this campaign. You can also press the shift and the number 8 and put a couple stars. That way it brings your campaign all the way up to the top. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. If not, it will go in alphabetical order, and you have to go look for it down below from all the email campaigns that are already created. So just create this campaign. There's also instructional videos on there. Now, if you like to copy a campaign that's out there, you can just press copy here, and you can copy any campaign you want. You can make doubles. That way you can change the links and promote different things. Or if you want to create your own, like if you want to send just an email every once in a while, Lead Lightning or whatever you want to send, just say no, I want to create my own. So that's going to be the name of the campaign right here. Okay, just scroll down. We're going to say add a new email to this campaign. It's asking for the subject line. We're going to come back to the window with the email swipes. You can copy this first text. Come back to this right here and enter the subject line and add this email. All it did is added the subject line. We're going to have to add the email here in a second. To add the email, just click on view and edit. Okay, we're going to come back to this page and we're going to copy this email. Okay, just copy. Alright, come back to this page, just highlight this, press backspace, hit Control V. As you can see, it kind of like gave me this background. Let me see if I can change it. I'm just gonna highlight it, come up here and do white. No, it didn't work. Sometimes it does this, so I'm just gonna delete the whole email. Let's go open a notepad. New. I'm just gonna paste that in here, copy it again. When you open it up in a notepad, it takes rid of all the HTML stuff. Right here, just hit Control V, and there it is. Here you can just, if you're collecting people's names, what you can do is scroll up to the top, and where it says place a variable, just make sure it's clicked here. Look for recipient's first name. As you can see, it populated this space, and I'm gonna go recipient's last name, something like that. Okay, the system is gonna pull the person's name. If not, it'll just say subscriber. Now for here, you can leave this the way it is. This is a capture page. I recommend you delete this. And you look, and this email can go the same thing for a lot of things. I'm just gonna highlight this right here. So it has two places to put a link. Depending on what your email says, you can promote whatever you want. For whatever, if you're gonna be promoting Lead Lightning, come back to the page over here. Okay, click on websites. We're gonna go look for the Lead Lightning sales page. You don't need to send them to a capture page anymore because you're going to send an email to people who already opted in. So it makes no sense to have them opt in again. We want to send them to a sales page right here, Lead Lightning sales page. Now there's two of them. You can see which one works best. I have more success with this one, but you can try both. All I did is I clicked on this image for lead lightning sales page.
Hi, it's Todd Gross. I am so excited.
All I'm going to do is copy the URL at the top. Come back to email campaigns. You can do it like this. Click Control V and it'll paste this link in here. If you don't want it to look like that, you can do it like this also. Okay, you can just delete that. You can write something. I'll click here. Okay, you can do it this way. Highlight it. Come up here to the little link. Click on that. Paste it in here. Just like that. Hit OK. So now it's a clickable link. And I'm going to show you another way you can do it. Okay, I'm just going to delete it. This is another way you can do it also, where it says place a trackable link to a web page on your system. So you can just hit this right here, scroll down, look for lead lightning sales page. This is another way to do it. Lead lightning sales page. Click on it. Okay, now you can write something here. Okay, you can say, watch this now. Let me see. Click here, see here. Join our team and dominate. I mean, it's just some stuff I wrote, and it works like crazy. You can say, see how it works. Click here now. Okay, I'm just gonna put one of these. Now I want to click here. That way, this is highlighted. Actually, that way it's gonna be placed. The link is gonna be placed there. Once I click the ad, it gave me put this code in here, but it's going to be clickable, and they're gonna go to lead lightning. That's the page. It's gonna have my ID, and that's just the text. That's all it means. That's all this code. Once the email is sent out, you'll see what I'm talking about. Here I'm gonna put it again. I'm just gonna click up here, add, and it added that code in here. Okay. So I'm ready. I'm gonna do save my save changes, and my new email is right here. It's called lead lightning follow-ups, whatever you want to name it. Say my personal emails, my emails, whatever you want to name it. It doesn't matter, as long as you remember. It will say one message. Okay. Now, how do we send this? I recommend you send it to your. If you click here where it says send now, it's actually going to send it to your Gmail or whatever you use in the system first. You can log in to save no. Okay, you can log into your personal Gmail account or whatever you use with the system. Okay, let me see here. It's logging in. Hopefully it came in. Sometimes it takes a little bit. Here it is. I had 79 new leads, but this is the email that I just sent to myself just now. I'm gonna click on it, and as you can see, this is what the email looks like. Of course, it says my name in here, but the system is gonna pull the person's name that opted into your site. It's gonna have the email, and remember, I typed see how it works. Click here now. So when somebody clicks on there, there's going to be a trackable link back to the Powerly system. That way it knows, the system knows that somebody clicked on an email. So that way next time you send emails, I'm going to show you that in a second. So just close make sure this one works also. And it should go to the lead lightning sales page. Hold on a second. Let me close this tab. I'm going to log out. Looks like the email is working. I don't need this anymore. While that loads up here for a second, I'm running. I'm not live anywhere. I'm recording, but I think my internet might be a little bit slow. But anyways, now how do we send that email to our list? People who opted in. As you can see, there it is. It loaded up finally. How do we send that email that I just sent? Remember the name of the hit the back button. Remember the name of the campaign you created. Okay, if it's just for personal follow-ups, you can just personal follow-ups, my follow-ups. If you're gonna do a hangout, you know, whatever you want, right? You can name it whatever you want. To send the email after you create it, just go to email, voice, and text. Go to email, put send campaign. Okay, and remember I put all those stars. Here it is, right? It brought it all the way to the top. Lead lightning follow. I'm just going to click on that. And I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. You want to send it. These are just some campaigns I was running. All kinds of different subdomains. But if you want to send it to people who clicked on the link, or you want to send it to people who open an email, it's up to you. I think people who open up an email are more likely to look at it. People who clicked on the link are people who are clicking. This could be good for CPA offers. If they're clicking, they're opening up emails, they're clicking. More likely, they're willing to hit the bottom, go scroll all the way to the bottom, and hit the green button. More likely, they're ready to opt in to different pages, right? So I'm going to send. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to send 1,149 emails. Just like that, I send it, guys. So that's how you get future sales. When people who are in your contacts, they will get them emails, and some of them will actually join you. Some of them will come see what it is. Some of them might just open up an email. Some of them will click. Some of them will go see the sales page. Some people will join you. I think I just said that. But thanks for watching. That's how you do it, all right? God bless.